My good friend Roxy Earle has a beautiful summer collection that she designed with Le Chateau. Today, I'm going to show you some of my favorite pieces from that collection and how to style them. Hey guys! I hope that you've been enjoying your summer. I have been enjoying mine. I have to apologize to you. I had some messages like, where are you? What's happening? I took a little break. I had some clients that I had to work on. I was on TV. I was taking care of some family. Anyway, I'm back in action and I've started filming for the rest of summer and into fall. And I'm so excited to show you what I have for you. I've pulled a bunch of looks and I'm really pumped to get filming. So it's good to see you guys. Thank you for the love, and I've missed you this summer too. Without further ado, let's start by talking about my girlfriend Roxy. Roxy is a good friend of mine. She is larger than life. Her and I actually met each other by the pool in Santa Monica at the Fairmont, I think like 6 years ago. I had just come back into the styling world. Roxy was just talking about designing, and it was a brand new world for both of us. And here we are, I'm styling and she designed a collection. So it's pretty fun to be able to showcase what my friend has done. So I want to go into the collection. The first and foremost, something that I want to say that's very important. If you don't know Roxy, I'll leave a link to her below and all of her socials, but she's an amazing person, very body positive. She designed a collection that goes from size 0 to 22. That's a big deal. There's a lot of women out there who would love to go into a store, who would love to shop with their best friends, and they can't because we're all different sizes. This collection gives you women out there, all of us, the chance to buy and shop the same items. So I'm going to show you a few of these pieces. I absolutely love them. They're flirty, they're feminine, they transition really well into fall, and the best part, they're all available online. So I will leave a link below to all of the stores that you can find them in, and I will also leave a link to the website where you can find each piece. So one of my first looks that jumped out at me from Roxy's collection was this beautiful dress. It is an absolutely stunning champagne color, and I just love the look and feel of it. I love the femininity, but also very classic and all one color. Everyone knows that I don't like a million things going on, so this was a piece that jumped out at me right away. I also loved that it has 3/4 length sleeves. So it transitions really well from summer into fall. Like, what a fantastic piece. This one I love dressed up. I have a pair of Roxy shoes on. She actually has a shoe collection as well with Le Chateau. I love these shoes. They're silver, they're so pretty. So anyway, this is one of my favorite pieces from the collection. Let me tell you if it's amazing. So thank you, Roxy. I love it. I feel like it's beautiful, it's sexy, it's feminine, and it's not too showy. Because even though I may be showing something up here, I've got 3/4 length sleeves and I've got a longer skirt on. So I'm showing a little bit of something, but not everywhere. Very classy. I would wear this anywhere, out to dinner. You could wear it to a wedding. So you can dress it up or you can dress it down. In the fall, if you wanted, you could actually wear tall boots with it. So here is look number 1 from Roxy Earle's collection with Le Chateau. For look number 2 of Roxy's fantastic collection, I fell in love with this cute sundress. I love the cut. It's just very relaxed. I love the color. I've paired it with a pair of boots because I like to keep it casual. You could also wear this dress every day with a pair of runners. Another thing that you can do is kick off the boots and the runners and pair it with a pair of high heels. So it's just very multi-purpose. Like, this is, to me, this is a daytime dress that can very easily transition into night in the summer with a pair of heels. And if you want to wear it in the fall, you can do that too. You just throw on a jean jacket. This is one of my faves. You guys have seen it many times. It's from Aritzia. The reason I like it is because it's cropped and it's light. Beautiful, beautiful. Love this dress. Okay, dress number 3 from Roxy Earle's collection. I absolutely love this piece. Here's the things that I love about it. It's flirty, it's fun, it's romantic, it's soft, it's casual yet dressy. You can dress this up and go to a wedding. You can dress it down, wear a jean jacket, and go out for dinner. Some of the features that I find beautiful, I love the ruffled drop sleeves. If you don't like your arms at any point, it covers the arms. It's got a short hemline in the front and longer in the back. Very easy, beautiful, romantic piece to wear. Okay, another one of my favorite pieces from Roxy's collection, this black jumper. How cute is this? I love it. Here's the pieces that I love about it. It zips up the back, it's all one piece. You pull it on and you immediately look pulled together. You can't go wrong. It's like a fail-safe outfit. Plus it's black, it's slimming. This is a great piece. I love the belt. The belt is actually attached, you can't lose it. Fringe gives a little decor, and it's tailored towards the bottom. And best feature right now, pockets. What a cute jumper, I love it. I've styled it with her shoes. If you're going out, you can throw on a vegan leather jacket and you're ready to go. It's just an absolute great piece. And I talked to her this morning, she told me this is the #1 bestseller. It also comes in red. However, black is the quintessential. If you're just gonna get one, then get the black. If you're gonna get two, definitely get red. How cute would you be walking into a room in a red jumpsuit? Bam! You'd make a huge statement. I love it. Can't go wrong. The final look from Roxy's collection that I pulled to show you guys is this linen jumper. It is my absolute fave. I've worn it on Cityline. If you guys check out my Instagram, actually, if you like any of these outfits, check out my Instagram because a lot of the things I wear, I put pictures on there. I also put lots of pictures of my dogs. So if you like pictures of dogs and videos of dogs, go to my Instagram. I've got 2 Frenchies and they're really cute. Anyway, moving on, this jumpsuit, it's really comfortable. It's linen, it's zipped up the back. It's completely classy and I've worn it on TV. I've worn it to a few occasions and it just, I get compliments galore. Comfortable, easy. How cute is this jumper? I love it. 1 belt and it's attached. You can't lose anything. It's a very classic jumper. I feel like I could be in the south of France sipping a glass of wine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, me showing you a capsule collection of my girlfriend, Roxy Earle's fantastic collection with Le Chateau. I absolutely love it. It is romantic, it is sexy, it is classy, and it's super comfortable and the price points are fab. So Roxy, I just want to say thank you for creating this collection. It is absolutely amazing. You can check her out on Instagram, myself out on Instagram. I will leave those in a link down below. I will also, because I know you guys are going to ask me, I will give you the list of stores where you can actually physically walk in and go buy the collection. And I will also leave a link. Anything that you want is available online. So you can find it at lechateau.com online, any of these pieces. They are true to size. They do fit really well. Any other questions, leave them for me in a comment below. And if you guys love a piece, let me know. Let us all know which is your favorite piece and if you have a different piece. Anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you. Remember, if you like these videos, to hit the subscribe button down below. It's the red button down below. Hit subscribe and then I will show up in your mailbox every Friday. I took a little bit of a hiatus over the summer, but I'm back with full force. So I will see you for Fashion Fridays on YouTube. See ya.